Hello students, welcome back to the computer class. How's you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Now we are doing arithmetic operation. Before start the topic, we revise the topic which we are done in the last class. Last class we explored the topic number system. There are different type of number systems are there like octal number system, binary number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. The base of binary number system is 2, decimal number system is 10, octal number system is 8 and the hexadecimal number system is 16. And the next topic which we are covered, conversion among bases. There are a different type of conversions are there like binary to decimal or decimal to binary, decimal to hexadecimal, decimal to octal or decimal to binary. These are the different type of conversion which we are done in the last class. So let's start the class with arithmetic operators. We will cover each and every topic with the help of slides. Today our topic is binary arithmetic. Before start the class, we learned about why we are using binary arithmetic. Binary arithmetic is important part of all the digital computers and many other digital systems. Arithmetic means operations with operands like plus, minus, multiply and divide. There are some reasons why we are using binary instead of decimal number system, because binary number system has only two digits, that is 0 and 1, and computer circuits only have to handle 2 binary digits rather than the 10 digital digits, and it is less expensive and reliable. Okay, so let's start with binary addition. So let's start with binary addition. The steps used for computer to complete addition are usually greater than the digital system, but the processing speed is much better than the digital number system. There are 4 rules for binary additions are 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0. All three cases are simple, but in fourth case, please see here, 1 plus 1 is 0 with 1 carry is here. In fourth case, a binary addition is creating a sum of 1 plus 1 equal to 10. 0 is written in a given column and carry of 1 is over to the next column. Okay, so let's start with one example of binary addition. Here example is there 1001 1011. So binary addition is simple, just like a decimal addition. Okay, so again we remind the rules. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0 but carry 1. Here 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. Then next is 0 plus 1, 0 plus 1, 1 but carry is 1. 1 firstly 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 0. So again carry is 1. Now again 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, and 1 plus 1 is 0 and carry 1. Okay, to all binary addition. We also check the number. The first number is 9, second number is 11. The total is, we see in your book also, binary addition. The technique used to add binary number is very easy and simple, just like a decimal numbers. There are simple rules are there. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 10, but 1 carry. Okay. Here the other example of binary addition is here. 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. But here no fourth case is here. But in second example, fourth case is also here. See, 1 1 1 1 1 and 0 1 0 1 1. Addition. See, 1 plus 1 is 0, but carry is 1. Again, 1 plus 1 is 0, but 1 plus 1 is 1, and carry is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 0. Carry is again 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, and 0 plus 1 is 1. Again 1 plus 1 carry 1, and 1 is 0, and 0 plus 0 is 1, but last carry is 1. Hope it is binary addition is clear to all. It is totally based on the rules. Okay. So next is binary multiplication. Binary multiplication is similar to decimal multiplication. It is simple than decimal multiplication because only zeros and ones are involved. There are 4 rules of binary multiplication are, see here, 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. We revise it once again. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. See here, multiply 1 1 1 1 multiply by 1 0 1. Same like a decimal multiplication, but here 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. Now next number. So 0 is 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, and 0 into 1 is 0. Okay. And then 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, and 1 into 1 is 1. We multiply with 1 1 1 1 into 1 0 1. Now we add last 3. See here, 1 plus 0 is 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So here is 1. So again 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 0 is 1. In the next 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 0. So carry is 1. Again 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 1. So carry is again 1. Okay. Same like you do the addition of 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 and 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Same like a binary addition. Okay. Binary multiplication is clear to all with this example. In your book, binary multiplication is there. We revise it once again. The rules of performing multiplication, binary number is same just like a decimal numbers. The given multiplication of 2 digits are, firstly we again revise the cases. 0 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 into 1 is 1. First example is here, 1 0 1 multiply by 1 1, and firstly we multiply by 1. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. Again multiply by 1, 1 multiply 1, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 1 is 1. Now we add these two lines. 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and then 1. It is clear, guys? Now binary subtraction is here. Binary subtraction is similar like binary decimal subtraction. There are 4 cases are here. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is 0, but borrow is 1. The above first 3 operations are easy to understand as they are identical to decimal subtractions, right? The fourth operations can be understood with the logic 2 minus 1 is 1, like 0 minus 1 is 0 and borrow is 1. For a binary number with 2 or more digits, the subtraction is carried out column by column as in just like a decimal subtraction. Also, sometimes one has the borrow from the next higher column. Please consider the example. Here is the example, but before that we again repeat the cases. 0 minus 0 is 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 0 minus 1 is 0. Here in the above subtraction, see here 0 minus 0 is 0. The next is 0 minus 1 is 1. So 0 minus 1 equal to 1 is the fourth case. So we take borrow 1 and then it becomes 10. So 10 minus 1 is 1. Then next is 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 has already been given. Yes, it becomes 0 minus 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. And last is 1 minus 1 is 0. This example is clear to all? Yes. So let's take another example. See, in this example, 2 binary digits are there. One is 1001 and subtracted by 101. Here 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. And 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 is 0. And we take borrow 1 from the next bit, that is 1. It is clear to all? Yes. We see in the book also binary subtraction. The rules are the same just like a decimal subtractions. Okay, but the fourth rule is different. Here 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay. Here first example is 1 1 1 1 and divided by 1 0 1 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. Check in table also. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Here no fourth case is here. We see the second example. Please see that 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Here first is 0 minus 1. We take borrow from the next bit, that is 10 minus 1 is 1. So here balance is 1. We take 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay, and here balance is 0 and 0 minus 1 is 0 and 0 minus 0 is 0 and 1 minus 0 is 1. Binary subtraction is also very simple. Okay. So last one is binary division. Binary division is similar to the decimal division. It is called as a long division process. Okay. It uses what is called a shift and subtract method, same like a decimal division. Okay. There are no cases okay in binary division. The example here in your book, binary division is performed division of two binary numbers is same as the decimal numbers. See the example here. 110 is a dividend. We divide it by 10 and after division 11 is quotient and 00 is remainder. Other things are same just like a decimal division. Okay. Yes students, today we covered different type of arithmetic operations like additions, subtraction, multiplications and division. So I hope these topics are clear to all. So other topic we will done in the next class. Thank you. Do study. Enjoy your day. Thank you.